Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Action, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to open the list of apps and tap on the settings. Now let's choose the display, and here we've got the wallpaper, so let's tap. As you can see, we can choose wallpaper from live wallpapers, Google Photos or regular wallpapers. So let me pick this one. And here we've got a lot of albums to choose from. We can choose wallpaper from seascapes, solid colors, geometric shapes, cityscapes, art, earth, life, textures, landscapes. And it doesn't really matter right now what I will choose, for example this one. And if you find something interesting and if you want to set it as your wallpaper, simply tap on it. Wait a second to load the wallpaper. And if you want to set it as your wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper. Now we can decide where we want to set it. We can apply it to our home screen, lock screen, or both. So let me pick both. Now let's get back to home page, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been changed successfully. So that's all. This is how to change wallpaper in your Motorola One Action. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.